Hi, good morning, students. Dear students, today I am here to explain grade second standard chapter. The chapter name is Our Earth. See, dear students, we are all living on the earth. In this module, you will learn about globe. You will study about land. And also you will study about plains, hills, mountains, valleys, right? And also you will study about water, right? And you will be able to learn air and taking care of our earth. Dear students, look at this. Here you have to find something. Yes, here are some words. Right? What is this, children? Yes, forest. Am I right? Like that, here are some yes spaces. Am I right? Valley, river. Can you agree with me, children? Yes. Now, what is meant by earth? Okay, what is the shape of the earth? Dear students, we all live on earth. Okay, yes. Look at the image here, my dear students. This is what? This is a globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model of earth. Okay, yes. So, what is the shape of this globe, children? The shape of this globe is sphere. Can you agree with me? Geoid. Okay, there are two words, sphere and geoid. Am I right? Yes. Globe is a model of earth. The surface of the earth has two parts. Okay, which are the two parts of surface of the earth? Let us see. The first one is your land and another one is water. Okay, dear students, about two-thirds of the earth which is covered with water. You know, children, 70% of the earth, yes, which has been yes covered with water. In the rest of the 30% of the earth, we are living on. Am I right? Yes. About two-thirds of the earth is covered with water. And remaining one-third part is land. Can you agree with me? Yes. As you all know that only 30% of land we have been using. Right? Yes. Let us learn more about our planet. Right? Yes. Already you learnt about the two important parts of the surface of the earth. Okay. Which are there? Land and water. Am I right? See, land, water, and air, which are very, very necessary for our life on the earth. Okay, without land, is it possible to live on the earth? No, because we cannot live on water. Am I right? So, yes, land is so important, right? If you want to do some agriculture, land is so important. If you want to construct a road, land is so important. If you want to build a house, land is important, right? Like that, even water also. Okay. Yes, water is life. Okay. Without water, is it possible to live on the earth? Yes. All the living beings are dependent on water. Water is life. That is why the earth is called as a blue planet. Why do we call it as a blue planet? Actually, my dear students, see, this is not in the textbook. Why do we call earth as a blue planet? Because, yes, here we find 70% of water. Am I right? Yes. Hence it is called as blue planet. Okay. And air, oxygen, right? Yes, oxygen is so important, my dear students. Okay, for all of us, right? Yes, without these three, which is not possible to sustain our life. Shall we study about one by one? Yes, we shall go. Land, my dear students. What is a land? Okay, we have already learnt about different types of different forms of land. Here, yes, mountains, valleys, forests, and plains. Am I right? These are being called as different forms of land. Now, what is meant by a plain? Yes, we shall study about plain now, right? Yes, plains are usually hot in the summer and cold in the winter. You know, children, plains, which means here, which is very flat land. For example, yes, northern plains. Okay, northern plains is the best example for the plains. Okay, what are the special characteristics of plains, my dear students? Okay, yes, plains are so hot. For example, now we are in the month of October, right? Rainy season. Next, winter season. In the winter season, we feel very chill. We feel very cold. But remember, yes, in the month of April and May, yes, very, very hot. Am I right, children? We cannot tolerate, yes, the hotness in the summer. That is why, children, yes, for all the schools, the holidays will be declared. Summer vacations will be declared in the month of March, April, May. Am I right? And come to cold. Yes, winter season. Yes, especially Dasra vacation will be declared at the time of winter season, because small kids like you not able to tolerate the cold. Am I right, children? Yes, you're all small kids, Yes, at the time of cold, will you come out from your house? No, you don't like to come out from your house. Right, children? Did you understand about the special characteristics of plains? Yes. Now we shall move on to hills. Dear students, hills have a pleasant weather throughout the year. For example, if you go to Kodagu, Madikeri, right? Yes, Kemmanagundi, Agumbe, right? If you go there, you will find some hills. Children, what is the condition of the hills? The hills always be pleasant. We like to go to hill stations, right? Yes, why? During summer, if we go to hill station, it will be very pleasant, very cold. A pleasant wind will blow, right? Yes, hills have a pleasant weather throughout the year. For example, Nilagiri, yes, Ooty, yes, Nainital, Darjeeling. These have been called as hill stations. Hills are so pleasant throughout the year. Am I right, children? Yes. Another special characteristics is here. Very high hills are called mountains. Okay. Very big hills are known as mountains. Okay. Himalayan mountains, right? Okay. Yes, Himad Gopala Swami temple. There you find big mountains. Am I right, children? Yes. The top of a mountain is called as peak. Okay. What is meant by mountain? Yes, usually the mountain will always a tip top. Okay. Which is known as A peak. You know, children? Yes. Which is the highest peak in the world countries? Mount Everest. Okay? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay? Yes, which is situated in India. Okay? In the Himalayan mountains. And which is the highest peak in India? K2. Yes. Mount Hostwen Godwin. Right, children? Which is the highest peak in India. And dear students, it is usually very cold in the mountains. Okay. Have you seen mountains, dear students? Yes. During, at the mountains, which is covered with greenery, which is covered with the trees and shrubs. Am I right, children? Yes, which is very, very cold. Am I right? Okay. Yes. The low-lying land between two hills are called as yes, valley. Right? Yes, between the two, yes, between the two yes mountains, okay, yes, which is called as a valley. Between the two hills, which is known as a valley. Am I right, children? Yes, this is all about mountain, hills, plains, and valleys. Am I right? Now we shall move on to plateaus. Okay. See what is meant by plateau. See, as you all know that. Yes, plateau is a flat area of a land. Okay, a very big land. Okay, which is relatively higher than the surrounding area. For example, yes, a Deccan Plateau, right? Yes, which is the large area of a land. Okay, which is coming under a plateau, right? Plateaus have very cold climate in winter. Yes, in the winter season, the plateaus are very very cold, right? We cannot even yes tolerate the cold. Am I right? Yes. Now we shall move on to yes desert. This is desert here. Okay. Yes. Thar Desert. Right. Where do we situate Thar Desert and Sahara Desert? Sahara Desert, which is situated in yes Rajasthan. Then yes, what is the special characteristics of desert? Dear students, first one, we cannot find a drinking water everywhere in the desert area. Okay. And also, my dear students, very, very hot, right? In the desert, we find highest hotness. Am I right? And always the land will be dry. Okay. And at the last sight of your eye, you can find only a sand. Right? These are all the three important features of desert. Desert is having highest temperature. Desert is having a dry atmosphere, dry area. Desert is having always sandy. Am I right? Place with little plants. Okay. Desert is a place with what? A little plants. Am I right, children? Cactus we will be finding. Am I right, children? Yes. These regions get very little rainfall. Okay. Yes, they don't get yes more rainfall. Yes, they will be getting yes a very less rainfall. Am I right, children? Yes, this is all about a desert. Now we should move on to very important form of land. Okay. Yes, as you all know that the earth surface, it's a part of earth surface. Yes, which is called as water. Okay. Yes, water is so important. Am I right, children? Yes. Without water, can you expect your life? No, you cannot. not expect your life. This is so important. Am I right, children? Yes. Now, yes, we shall study about, yes, water. Okay. Yes. There are two kinds of water. Surface water, underground water. Am I right, children? Now we shall study about, yes, surface water. Yes. If the water is found on the surface of the planet, which is called as surface water. As we are all living in the village, can anyone tell me where do we find water? We do find water in the ponds. Am I right, children? Have you seen ponds in the villages? Yes. We take our cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep into the water. Okay? Yes, to make them to drink water. Yes, to wash their body. Am I right? And in the villages, we do find lakes, right? And also rivers, seas, oceans are some of the sources of surface water. Which are the sources of surface water? Yes, ponds, lakes, and rivers. Ganga River, Kaveri River, Godavari River, Brahmaputra. Am I right, children? And seas. Okay, Arabian Sea. Am I right, children? Yes, Indian Ocean. Okay, Bay of Bengal, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea. The best example for seas, right? Okay, these have been called, yes, the sources of water. Okay, yes, oceans. Okay, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Am I right? Yes. Now we shall move on to, yes, underground water. Dear students, underground water which is found under the ground and it is taken out by digging wells. As we are all the children of farmers, we know, yes, we will get bore wells into our land to dig the land to get the water. Okay, groundwater always hidden water. How to get groundwater? By digging wells, bore wells. Am I right? This is the best example for this underground water. Do you know, children? Underground water is so sweet. Okay, in your panchayat, yes, who is supplying water, my dear students? Yes, as you all know that Grama Panchayat is supplying you water. Am I right? Yes. Now, we get fresh water. How do we get fresh water? Fresh water is so important in your. Yes. Will you drink dirty water? No, not at all. You don't drink some dirty water. Right? Yes. We get fresh water from rain. The rain will occur time to time. India will get monsoon. You will get rain from southwest monsoon, right? And also wells, ponds, and the lakes and rivers. These are all the sources of fresh water to drink. Am I right? The fresh water is used for drinking. What is the use of fresh water? We use fresh water to drink. Am I right? And also cooking. And also washing. And cleaning. To clean our house. To clean our body. We take bath. To clean vessels. To clean kitchen. We use fresh water. To clean. To wash our dresses. We use fresh water. Am I right? To make cooking, yes, we use fresh water. To drink, we use fresh water. Right, children? Yes. Water available in seas and ocean. The water which is available in seas and ocean, which is salty and cannot be used for drinking. Is it possible to drink? Yes, ocean water? Not at all. We cannot drink, yes, ocean water. We cannot drink a sea water. Am I right, children? Yes. Now we shall move on to air. My dear students, air is so important, right? Yes, oxygen. How do we breathe? We breathe, yes, with the help of oxygen. The earth is wrapped in a blanket of air, which is called as atmosphere. Atmosphere, which protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Okay, do you know, children, the sun's rays, okay, reach directly to the earth? No, not at all. We have ozone layer. Okay, the ozone layer will cut the harmful rays reaching the ground. Am I right? We all need air to breathe. Am I right? Yes, we cannot see air, but we can surely feel its presence. Is it possible to see air? Yes. It is not possible to see air. Then how do you find it out? Yes, by feel. We feel air. It's a pleasant wind. It's very hot wind. Yes. Through our skin. Yes, we'll get experience. Right, children? Yes. Now, yes, taking care of our earth. This is very, very important, my dear students. It is necessary to take care of our earth, you know. Yes, earth is our home. Why do we want to take care of our earth? Yes, it's our home. We should look after it. Am I right, children? We should keep land, air, and water clean. We should keep our surrounding clean. Am I right? We should plant more trees. Right, children? We should sample more plants. Okay? And we should not harm the birds and animals. We shouldn't kill the animals. We shouldn't kill the birds. Right? This is all about the chapter. In the next class, I shall come up with the next video. Right? A new chapter. Hope you have understood. Thank you all. See you again.